12th gen Intel Core processors are all the rage. Here are 3 things to know about the chips, previously codenamed Alder Lake. First, a brand new performance hybrid architecture that integrates 2 types of cores, performance cores and efficient cores. Compared with the previous generation, 12th gen P cores offer a performance boost of 19%. Second, an innovation called Intel Thread Director. This tech is baked into the hardware and it helps the operating system route workloads to the best cores for the job. P cores will tackle the most demanding tasks, while E cores will manage background activities. Think multitasking without a performance hit. Third, the 12th gen Core families support the latest state-of-the-art standard in memory, I/O, and connectivity, and will consist of 60 processors, including the world's best gaming processor. Intel's performance hybrid 12th gen chips are a major strike against the competition.